Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool European rotary desk telephone. It also has a mother-in-law receiver capsule and a bell. And this is Dan's equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool equipment. Dan said they had a telephone like this when he was growing up in France, so needless to say, when he seen this equipment, he picked it up. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. We have original line cords. We want to troubleshoot everything, the line cords for the bell and the mother-in-law receiver, also the line cord for the telephone. Now the line cord for the bell and the telephone have the European style modular jack plugs installed on them, and we will be removing those European plugs. And to save the original line cords, we're going to go ahead and take the bell line cord into the inside of the telephone at the block, and then on the line cord for the telephone we will be installing a modular plug so that Dan can plug into any modern jack. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. Now we also know that the rotary dial is very sluggish, so we want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust that rotary dial. We're going to go through the network. We want to make sure that everything is wired properly and the way that we want it wired to work the way that we want it to work. We also want to go through the transmit and receive, along with the mother-in-law receiver. We also want to go through the bell. We need to troubleshoot the bell and all of the cords. Now we will be troubleshooting the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this equipment. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool equipment, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool European rotary desk telephone and bell with a mother-in-law receiver capsule, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. I have an amplifier back by the video, and it has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give audio or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to go ahead and check our mother-in-law receiver capsule first. We can go ahead and set that to the side now. We'll bring our handset over. We want to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that the bell is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive at the handset and the mother-in-law receiver capsule. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Saturday, March 2nd. The current time, 7:17 p.m. and the temperature, 34 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Now that we know that this really cool European rotary desk telephone with a mother-in-law receiver capsule and bell has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Dan and he can enjoy this equipment. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.